Hello! This video is about a project I've actually been wanting to try for a while. I'm going to show you how I turned this big simple t-shirt into a crop top. So yeah, let's get into it. I actually got this t-shirt for free with a box of Snickers, so I thought if I ruin it, it doesn't matter. So I used some pins to mark where I wanted the neckline to be, and I cut it off with my scissors, leaving a rim for the sewing. Then I pulled the pins out and marked the line where I wanted to sew with a pencil. And I used the sleeve that I had cut to mark where I wanted to cut the other sleeve so they would be the same. By the way, if you're wondering, the t-shirt says pannenkoek, and that means like pancake, and it's kind of like a jokingly cursing word. I don't know why they put it on there, but I think it's kind of funny. And here I'm just making sure that the back of the t-shirt follows the same curve as the front. I'm also doing this for the left side of the t-shirt, and sorry for my baby hairs in the corner. Then I pulled it on again and I used some pins to mark where I wanted the t-shirt to be because it was way too wide for me. So you can see I made it a bit thinner, and I'm first gonna cut the t-shirt shorter to make it into a crop top, and then I am going to cut the sides off. I folded the t-shirt in half to make sure I cut off the same amount of fabric on each side. And yeah, this is what I have now. Now I turned the t-shirt inside out and I sewed along the entire edge of the t-shirt. So this is what it's looking like right now. And now I'm sewing the other side, and I had to sew it all by hand because I do own a sewing machine, but I have no idea how it works, and I think it's broken because I have tried to get it to work, but every time it doesn't do anything. So I need to get that looked at because that would have made this process a whole lot faster. So you can see the bottom is looking pretty nice right now, but the top half of the t-shirt is still really rough and uneven. So I pinned down where I wanted the edge to be, and you can see the inside of the t-shirt was still really messy right there, but I tried to fix that by just sewing it. Then I got started on the straps of the top. I just folded in the fabric a little bit and sewed a rim so the fabric won't fray as much. So I did that to all of the sides, and now I'm just cutting away some of the excess fabric. And here I'm working on the collar of the top. I tried to make it neat, but for some reason when I cut off a piece it started falling apart, so it turned out not to be really neat, but I'll have to live with that. But yeah, this is how it turned out. I'm happy with it because it's my first t-shirt sewing project that I've ever done. But of course there are quite a few imperfections, like the edges on the sides. They aren't on the same place. One is much more to the front than the other. And the straps aren't exactly even as well. And the rim is kind of falling apart, you can see it. But in the whole, I am kind of happy with how this turned out. I'm not sure if I'll actually be wearing this a lot, but it was a super fun project to do. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and bye! See you next time!